All right, I found a nice patch of sidewalk here and I'm going to make a knitting needle. I have a 5mm birch wood dowel. It's about 12 inches long, and I found a nice patch of sidewalk to work on. So we want to make our knitting needles tall and pointy as a steeple, not short and fat like a barn. So to do that, I'm going to hold the dowel with my 4 fingers on top, my thumb is on the bottom, and I want to be sure that I'm holding it pretty close to the tip here, so I'll have more control. If my hand is way over here, I'm a little out of control and I'm not focusing my energy as well. So my hand is close to the tip, and I'm going to begin rubbing on the sidewalk. Now, in order to get that tall and pointy shape, I'm going to keep my dowel pretty close to the ground like this. If I curve upward on a more of a 45-degree angle, I'm going to get a really short, fat point. I want a tall and slender point. And as I rub on the sidewalk here, I'm continuously rolling the dowel in my fingers so that we get that cone shape that we're looking for. I'm rubbing it back and forth and turning at the same time. And I can start to see I'm making some progress. It's starting to wear away at the wood. And my point is beginning to form.